I actually think John could be a mathematical genius.
Even by your standards?
Well, I don't know. I'm not really that familiar with 2-year-olds, but it does seem...
7.5 when you mastered.
I thought you were going to say you're not that familiar with the mathematical genius.
No, well, both actually. But it does seem quite clever to be able to slot all the pieces in.
I know. He reminds me a bit like of Henry, a little older, when it came a point when he was an embarrassingly young age when I refused to play chess with him anymore.
I remember that sort of thing,
What about this bit? Can we put this bit in?
Where does that go?
But I was quite surprised if he wasn't very bright, actually.
Well done. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, that's
Looks
right.
okay.
Where's that one, Pa?
Sorry, what, my love?
Put it in, there we are.
Oh.
You've got enough bits to go everywhere.
What about this bit? I think you know where that bit goes.
That's quite an easy bit.
No.
Try it
The
at the
other
front
side?
of the boat. Front of the boat it goes.
Where?
You were just testing this, weren't you?
Making a deliberate mistake.
Oh.
You just dropped it.
Like a piece on the floor.
Right. Try one to cut tea in the
Where's that go? Where?
I think you're looking on the wrong...
Delicious orange cake is too rich for her.
John? Should we do this bit? You're losing bits again. No, I think Chunkle's got one by his foot. We'll get Grandpa to pick it up.
Chunkle is filming.
Yeah. Grandpa, will you pick up the bit of puzzle by Chunkle's foot? No, I remember liking puzzles a lot actually. I remember Mum buying me an enormous jigsaw puzzle when I had my foot in plaster. Because she thought it would shut me up. Because she taught me how to play some cards.
You were incredibly competitive little girl. You were, I mean, more so than Amelia and I think Henry.
Oh, you know, it had to be competitive.
But it was also successfully beaten out of me because once I developed my competitive streak, I was then encouraged to think that it was a terrible thing.
By whom?
By everyone. It was nasty and I shouldn't be competitive. Yes. I'm not competitive any longer. Now, John, remember there was a white sail and a red and white stripy sail? I think what we need to do, something along those lines.
You're taking pictures of me eating cake?
Yes, I suppose so, yeah.